my favorite tool is going to be GenSpark. If you see, this is one of the presentation decks that I created. It is so close to what I wanted and so close to the kind of presentation deck that I have. So what I did is I have this particular, visual hierarchy or the template that I wanted, the fonts, everything. So you usually can import this as well in any project, and then based on this or your mood boards and the logo, the placements, everything, I put it in the PPT template, and then I inserted or added it onto my GenSpark from the start, right? So if you can see in the first aspect only, I gave it my copy design file, my design file with visual design file with templates, the prompt for again what kind of visual design structure should it maintain, branding, the logo, and also the background. So it's important that you give a blank background which you want according to your theme, and give the elements separately and include all of this. Like, for us, we have at the footer, brought to you by Flightbase, think inside the box, hashtag. And now you can see that with the new layout that I gave, it has created a much better presentation, much cleaner. Yeah, so as you can see that now your slide deck has a lot of more consistency or brand consistency from what you started off with. And the best part about GenSpark is you can also export it as a PPTX, Google slide, and then you have a lot of edit capabilities. GenSpark also has an AI editor, like an advanced AI edit. It does a good job at it. Definitely, this is one of the tools that I still use today to generate my decks.